Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock Telegram adult channel. So let's get started. So from here in Telegram, if you are experiencing errors when you are trying to access adult channels here in Telegram, so those content in the adult channel are obviously sensitive. So there is a setting here in Telegram that you would need to disable first in order for you to view those channels without any restrictions. So what you would need to do is that you want to go into the browser right here and go to web.telegram.org, not in the app, because here in the app you can see the disable that specific settings here, so you don't have it available here to turn off the filtering. What you need is to go into web.telegram.org, and from here log into your account and then tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left right here. And then from here what you want to do is tap on settings, and then from here scroll down until you see privacy and security, and you want to tap on that. And then from here what you need to do is scroll all the way down again right here, and then you can see here in the sensitive content you can disable the filtering. So you want to make sure that this is checked right here so that there will be no filters and no restrictions at all in any channel that you join. You'd be able to see all of the contents that is in the channel, because obviously adult channel would have sensitive content, so you would need to disable the filtering. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.